Microsoft and BlackRock CEOs lead the charge in G7 Summit's infrastructure renaissance, crafting a blueprint for global prosperity and sustainability. As the sun-kissed shores of Italy's southern coast play host to the world's most influential leaders, a pivotal dialogue unfolds, one that promises to shape the trajectory of global development for generations to come. At the heart of this discourse lies the urgent imperative of infrastructure, the linchpin of economic progress, social equity, and environmental sustainability. Leading the charge are two luminaries of the corporate realm, Satya Nadella, the visionary steward of Microsoft, and Larry Fink, the astute captain steering BlackRock's vast investment ship. Their anticipated presence at the G7 summit signifies a watershed moment, a convergence of minds, resources, and aspirations dedicated to reimagining the future through the lens of infrastructure. Joined by a constellation of Italian business luminaries, including leaders from Eni, Enel, and CDP, Nadella and Fink will navigate the labyrinth of challenges and opportunities inherent in the global infrastructure landscape. At the heart of their deliberations lies the G7 Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment, a bold initiative poised to unlock the transformative potential of strategic collaborations. Against the backdrop of the resplendent Borgo Ignazio venue, these titans of industry will chart a course toward a future where infrastructure serves as a catalyst for inclusive growth, environmental stewardship, and technological innovation. Africa, with its vast potential and pressing needs, emerges as a focal point of the discussions, a continent ripe for a renaissance fueled by visionary investments and sustainable development. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni, as the architect of this summit, has articulated a bold vision to harness the collective wisdom and resources of the G7 nations in support of Africa's aspirations for prosperity and resilience. Within this crucible of ideas and aspirations, the role of technology looms large, with Microsoft's digital prowess poised to illuminate the path forward. From cloud computing solutions that bridge the digital divide to artificial intelligence-driven insights that optimize infrastructure planning, Nadella's leadership embodies a commitment to harnessing innovation for the greater good. Meanwhile, BlackRock's formidable financial acumen promises to infuse the discourse with a pragmatic understanding of risk, return, and long-term value creation. Fink's advocacy for sustainable investing underscores a broader recognition within the financial community that the pursuit of profit must be inextricably linked to principles of environmental stewardship and social responsibility. As the G7 summit unfolds against the backdrop of Italy's timeless beauty, the outcomes of these deliberations hold profound implications for the future of humanity. They are more than mere policy prescriptions or financial commitments. They represent a collective aspiration, a shared commitment to building a world where infrastructure serves as a beacon of hope, resilience, and progress for all. In the twilight hours of the summit, as leaders reflect on the path ahead, they do so with a renewed sense of purpose and possibility. For in the crucible of collaboration, amidst the clashing currents of ideas and interests, lies the promise of a brighter tomorrow. A world where infrastructure transcends its physical confines to become a symbol of humanity's collective resolve to build a future worthy of generations yet unborn.